Student perceptions showed positive growth for each of my growth goals. First, I believe I have been successful at effectively creating and using proficiency scales and rubrics based on critical content. By posting proficiency scales in the classroom, constantly referring back to level 3 expectations, and continuous references made in their interactive notebooks, students reported positive changes as evidenced by the post-survey mean. Being that this is also a school-wide objective, this growth goal is continuously evident. Students have certainly become more comfortable and accountable with proficiency scales and rubrics based on vertical alignments of critical content. My next goal of encouraging students to track their own progress using their interactive notebooks is evident by student tracking and reflections in their progress monitoring sheets. This tracking and reflection has allowed students to develop a growth mindset that allows them to set goals and make decisions on how they are going to achieve mastery. My third growth goal focused on including unusual information at least once for each unit. In addition to my lesson plans, positive growth on this goal is evidenced by an increase in the post-survey mean. I believe this was the lowest of my averages because not all students agree on what is interesting and unusual. The positive change in the post-survey mean is evidenced by student feedback on our class website, engagement pictures during classroom transformations, and real-world applications in class. A reasonable explanation for students positively changing their perceptions is the relatedness and involvement felt during our lessons and in our general classroom environment. I will continue to work on this growth goal, for I long to include all interests so that all learning curiosities might be explored.